Hello together. Look at this. This is a very easy, very simple recipe I'm bringing today. It's just a Polish salad with seared octopus legs. So it's very, very easy. I hope you like it. Check it out. Hi. So we are gonna do some octopus legs, which are pre-cooked. It's very important, and with Polish salad. I will leave you this recipe just at the end of the video. Very nice one. A win-win salad. So let's make the octopus. You're gonna put some grease, some oil. I'm using a little bit of oil. Just sear them. We are gonna add a little bit salt, a little bit pepper. Carefully with the salt or with the octopus. It has a lot of water on it with salty water, so you have to be careful. After sear it, we're just gonna top our salad. Look at these legs, just seared. Now we're gonna slice them as thin as you can or as you like. And we are ready to top our Polish salad. I will leave you, we are close to December, and I will leave you this recipe for the salad, which is a very, very nice one. I did this recipe last year, this video, and it's very, very, very easy to do. Just a little bit of work, but very nice.